Welcome back to Sleep Up Cars. Today, we have something massive, powerful, and built to dominate the construction and mining world, the 2025 Caterpillar D19 Dozer in its signature yellow color. If you're into heavy machinery, stay tuned because this beast is an engineering marvel. Caterpillar has once again raised the bar with the D19, a dozer designed for extreme performance, durability, and efficiency. Whether it's large-scale earthmoving, mining, or heavy-duty construction, the D19 is built to handle the toughest jobs with ease. Under the hood, the 2025 Caterpillar D19 packs a monstrous engine that delivers an incredible amount of power. With a high-torque diesel engine optimized for fuel efficiency, this machine is all about getting the job done while keeping operational costs low. Caterpillar's advanced technology ensures better fuel economy without compromising on raw strength. One of the biggest highlights of the D19 is its massive blade. Designed to push through tons of material effortlessly, this dozer can handle everything from dense rock to loose soil. The blade is reinforced for durability, making it ideal for long-term use in the toughest environments. The undercarriage of the Caterpillar D19 is built for stability and strength. With an advanced track system and reinforced rollers, it provides superior traction on uneven terrain. Whether you're working in muddy, rocky, or steep areas, this dozer stays firmly planted, ensuring maximum productivity and safety. Comfort is also a big focus in the 2025 D19. The operator's cabin is designed with ergonomics in mind, featuring state-of-the-art controls, an intuitive display panel, and an air-conditioned interior. Reduced vibrations and noise levels make it easier for operators to work longer hours without fatigue. Technology plays a crucial role in this new model. The D19 comes with Caterpillar's latest grade control system, GPS integration, and automated blade control for precision work. These features help improve efficiency, reduce material wastage, and ensure smoother operations. Maintenance is another area where the D19 shines. Caterpillar has designed this dozer for easy servicing, with accessible components and advanced diagnostics that help reduce downtime. This means more time on the job and less time in the workshop. Safety is a priority in the D19, with features like automatic braking, stability control, and advanced monitoring systems. The dozer is equipped with cameras and sensors to provide better visibility and avoid accidents on site. Now, let's talk about the expected price. The 2025 Caterpillar D19 is a high-end heavy-duty dozer, and with all its advanced features, the price is estimated to be around $1.5 million to $2 million, depending on the configuration and additional options. While this might seem like a big investment, its performance, durability, and efficiency make it worth every dollar. So, what do you think about the 2025 Caterpillar D19? Would you like to see it in action? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sleep Up Cars for more amazing content on heavy machinery and automobiles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.